Well, guys, in this video here, I was going to be working on my Henry J. It's been about a week or so since I've worked on it. I've been actually test fitting my rocker panels and whatnot, just playing around in the evenings. Derek did machine my steering column drop here with a new brass insert, so that should be good to go for my steering column over there. So I'm going to actually start working on this, but in this video here, I think I'm going to do something different. I've got a new little family member and just showed up. Oh, and here she is walking right here. She wasn't supposed to come in here. She knows better. Bailey. Hi. Say hi to everybody. So I think today what we're going to do, because it's nice and it's actually almost summertime here, but it's nice out. This is going to get turned into a doghouse for her. Oh, there she is. So yeah, I think that's what we're going to do today. Build a doghouse, people. Building it under 20 bucks. That's the goal. Hey, don't eat the weeds. Hey, come on, Bailey. Come on. Come on. Look at that, people. How can you resist that? She's a golden doodle. She's 9 weeks old. Come on. Come on. Bailey. Yeah. She has let you listen yet. Get away. Come on, you. So yes, this is why I need a doghouse. I'm going to fence this off a little bit during the week. She's actually pretty good. It's just hard to juggle a camera and this. Go fetch. Come on. Yeah, good girl, eh? Sit. 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 Yeah, we're working on it. Anyway, I'll be back. We're gonna go start building a doghouse for her. Hey, leave that turd alone. Come on, Bailey. Never thought I would have owned a dog again. But anyway, here we are. Come on, Bailey. Oh yeah, we can only do this for a couple hours or so because then Derek's coming out and we're going to go get our cars today. Even on an off chance, I'll show you what I picked up today or yesterday. Come on, Bailey. Come on. Come on. Come on. Atta girl. New tires for the El Camino. So yeah. Gonna go see Donnie. He's gonna go bounce and then we're gonna go pick up my car today. You wanna go for a car ride today? Yeah, come on. Yeah, little monster. Hey, little monster. Okay, enough lovey-dovey. Let's go build you a doghouse. Come on. Let's go build you a doghouse. Come on, let's run. Oh, stop while I leave. Okay, this could take a while. We'll be back in a minute. Gonna say bye? No. Alright. Okay, so this is what I come up with. Everything's just gonna be built out of 2x2s. I'm gonna make 3 of them. I'm not exactly sure the length I'm gonna make, but it'll be a good enough size. It's about 22 inches high. So yeah. I've already cut up my pieces here because I didn't want to bore you guys, and like I said, that's going to get cedar shakes for the roof, and I'll paint it a funky color, a nice trim and all that, and even put her name above the door. But yeah, anybody could do this. Who needs to go to Home Depot and spend stupid money? And you can just build it out of junk. Like I said, this was from work. It was going to get thrown out because the band's broken and everything like that. So, and it's just stuff that I've been collecting. But yeah, you could probably do this for under 20 bucks. So anyway, maybe I'll set the tripod up, start cutting some stuff, and I gotta go find some nails. Oh, that's right. Oh, yeah, nails. Uh-oh. I really don't want to drill into this stuff because it's just cheap spruce and I'll split. Yeah, I'll find some nails. Dang dog better appreciate this. That way I figure when we're working out here in the summertime, she'll be content in her little hut and leave us alone. Hopefully, that's the plan. If Brian and Derek leave her alone, they seem to like her more than I do. Kidding. Anyway, I guess go find some nails and bang this stuff together. Bob Vila, look out. little bit. I'll put a square on it. The sheets will straighten it out, but yeah. Oh. There we go. I will make 2 more like that, and then yeah, we'll cut up some sheeting. Then I will give it a lot of strength. Then I'll figure out a funky color to paint it, probably purple or something or whatever. This is what I'll be using for sheeting. Since I got lots of it, just this stuff here. It's like a ceramic coating exterior inner seal plywood for outside for like sheds and stuff like that. I was able to purchase a bunch of that from work last year, cheap. So yeah, all right. I guess you got the gist of that. I'm gonna make 2 more of those, and then we'll prop it up, and then yeah, we'll cut some plywood. And for shits and giggles, I'll probably put some screws in there to give it a little bit more strength. I'm just charging my battery now for my drill. Man, is it nice out. Who would have thunk 2 weeks ago there was like 2 feet of snow here. Super nice. Hopefully it's a nice summer. There's Boog's Model A just sitting. I think he's gonna get back on that soon. I know he was working on his engine block the past few days, so yep. Alrighty. Okay, so you can see that the skeleton's basically done. One wall is a little out, but I'll fix that once I start putting sheeting on. Couldn't find my skill saw, but Derek's coming out here, so he's bringing his, so I'll be able to start cutting some sheets and make this thing strong, but it's not bad. I can fudge it around once everything gets solid, and I'll put a floor in it and everything else. The door's framed, so that's going to be big enough for little Bailey. So yeah. Derek should be here in a few minutes, and I guess me and him are going there, and Chris is going to meet us. I'll go get my tires balanced, go grab my El Camino and my 55. At least that's the goal today. I don't know if we're going to film any of that. I can ask Derek, but yeah, pretty stoked. A little Bailey will have a little playhouse out here. That way she can be content and leave us alone. Okay, it's been a few days since I've worked on Bailey's little playhouse here, or doghouse I should say. I've got a couple walls and whatnot. I gotta go do the back one and the roof, and then I'll start shingling it. I did make a little boo-boo here when I was cutting it with the saw, but I've got some exterior build silicone that I've used that's paintable and whatnot, and same thing here. I just put a little dab in there, and then I fill the screw holes, and then it's good for painting and whatnot. So got her floor in, so yeah, she should be pretty happy with that. And then I'll start putting cedar shakes on it. I'm not sure if I'm going to put trim boards on or whatnot, but I did find letters at the dollar store, so I'll be putting her name on there. So yeah, I think she'll be pretty happy with this. She was just out here a few minutes ago, but I put her inside there, so I think she's had enough for one day outside. So, but I guess yeah, I'll start cutting this stuff up, and we'll start enclosing this bad boy. Okay, just to give you a hint, this is how I kind of do it. I just nailed on the first few rows, and then like I said, you just kind of stagger them. There is no real signs to this. Like I said, go right there, just make sure you cover your nails, and then just kind of stagger them. So yeah, it shouldn't take very long. She was at the window again a second ago. She's in a timeout right now. She was yiping to come out, but nah, she can wait. But yeah, maybe I'll set the tripod up here and I'll show you how I kind of do this, but it's no real science anyway. But yeah, that's pretty much what it's going to be. And then you just, after, always it gets thicker at the end, then you just cut them off. You can just use usually an X-Acto blade or something, or a saw if you want. But I'll set the tripod up and we'll show you how I do this. Yeah, it'll be all right. As you can see, it's not perfect. I didn't align, you know, the gaps aren't exactly right, but I'm doing this in a rush because I want this done. That way she can be outside more, so but yeah, it's all right. But yeah, maybe I should have maybe dropped that down a little bit, but oh well. You don't have to leave that in the comments. But yeah, it's starting to look like something, and like I said, then I'll do the same to that side, and then I'll build a little cap for the top. Yep. Yeah, I guess I kind of did shit the bed on that. Should have had it down about right there. Oh well. I'll do the next side. Main thing is it won't leak, hopefully anyway. But you got the gist of this. Alright, it's the next day. It took longer for the silicone to dry and all that, but it's not bad. Kind of looked like chicken pox and whatnot, but I finished the roof and all that. This still really did bother me that I left such a length there, and I was going to pull it apart, but I'm like, nah, nobody will know, it's just a doghouse. So anyway, I went through a bunch of old paint cans. Was going to paint it that color, but I'm like, eh. And then I do have another color that I painted my shed, but I went and actually splurged, and we're painting it purple. Figure why not? Bailey's a girl, so why not? So yeah, I'll start painting, and we'll be back here in a minute. Might even bring Bailey out. We'll see. Actually looking pretty good. Bailey. Go get a stick. Bring it back. Bring it back. That a girl. Wanna go for a ride in the El Camino later? Give me the stick. Hey, stick. Drop it. Come on, drop it. You little monster. Come on, Bailey. Come on. Come on. That a girl. No biting. No biting. Come on. Sit. 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 Clearly we need some work on this. You want to go see your new doghouse? Come on. Come on. Come on. This way. Yeah, come on. Come on. Stay away from the mud. Come on. There we go. Now she's running. Bailey, come on. Come here. Uh-oh. Going by the dead bird. Come here. Come here, Bailey. And the neighbor's yard. Okay, we'll be back. Alright, so here's more or less the finished product. There's a few other little touch-ups that I might do later on, but for the most part, it's just a doghouse that's going to be sitting outside. And to be honest, she might not even like it or use it that often. But I figure, if we're working out in the backyard or the lane, she can always amuse herself in there and whatnot with her toys or whatever. But at least it's something anyway, throw in the backyard. I had to build one anyway, so why not? Like I said, I built this literally out of scrap. I did break the bank buying new paint. That was 20 bucks, but yeah, the wood and everything else was basically just going to get thrown out. Same thing with the shingles and work. Somebody broke it open and they're going to throw it in the dumpster. So hey, free's always better, and just basically it's your time. So anyway, I hope you like this little video. I know it's nothing really car related, but yeah, we will be getting back onto cars next week. This Sunday or Saturday, we're going to start on that 61 Pontiac. And back to the real fun. Anyway, well, I hope you like this little video and Bailey and whatnot. So remember, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment and all that good stuff. And we'll definitely see you on the next one. Enjoy. Catch you later.